Alright guys, I just bought this massive lot of precision tools, gauges, and just micrometers and all sorts of different types of tools. I can't tell you everything as of what it does and what it can do, but I do know that there's a lot of value here, and for the amount that I paid, I can do pretty well. Sorry about the mess, but it's kind of what happens when you're in this field of work. So let's just point out a couple things that I looked up. So I looked up everything, and I just sorted by highest to lowest for average Terapeak selling rating for the pink slips, and then the lowest listed pricing for the yellow slips. So just going through a couple of them. So like this lowest listed of this gauge is 300. Average selling price is 171 for this thing. Precision gauge. Here's another one. You can buy it brand new for $285. I couldn't find one sold of it, but for $285 or $685 brand new, could probably get minimum half of that price. Same one with this one, $698 brand new. These are all lowest listed pricing. This one's $550 lowest listed. Couldn't find any sold with that one. Going over here, this one comes with a bunch of different heads that are in a different box right now, but low average selling price is $250. Lowest listed of this one is $400. Calibration paperwork. Let's go with this one. Average $282 for this. Mitsatoyo, lots of Mitsatoyo, Mitsatoyo, however you say it. Lowest listed 222, and I got 2 of those. There's a sensor in here, lowest listed for $679. Let's see. This Tesla unit right here, $460. Lowest listed. There's one more slip in here. It's a pretty good box back here. Oh, that Teslatronic average is $295, none listed. So that's got to be pretty good right there. And I didn't put the price down for everything because that would just take so much time. I got a spreadsheet that I listed that I'll pop up on the screen, but there is just so many precision gauges, tools, like this Mettler scale. Average selling price $250, lowest listed price $199. Pretty nice precision scale. You open it up there. Bunch of different types of gauges, precision work tools. Now this ultrasonic generator cleans metals and types of stuff like that. This top unit, $300 average selling price. Just this tank goes along with the top, holds the fluid. Tank sells anywhere between $750 and $4,000 for just this tank. Insane. Some big micrometer calipers, 12 to 16 inches, massive. Average selling price $250 $15. Lowest listed price, $225. Here's another one, 6 to 12 inch. Average listed or average sold $222. Lowest listed $375. Got some sensors, robotic sensors. Another type of looks to be like a bore gauge of some sorts. Average selling price $350. Lowest listed $385. Here's an electronic gauge. Average selling price of this $450. $350 lowest listed price. The star of the show though is this Marcel Optics and Precision. Not exactly sure what it does, but it has two Mitsutoyo gauge electronic sensors, gauges. I'm not exactly sure. Average selling price of this is $838. Lowest listed price $1,218. Absolutely crazy. Got this check line tension meter here. Let's see. Average selling price $300. Lowest listed $350. Here's another one. Average selling price of this one $314. Lowest listed $350. So even though it's selling average lower than the listed price, can at least get $350 if someone's looking for this specific model of precision gauge. Here's another one. Lowest listed $303. Does have an open slot here. I mentioned that in my comments. Not exactly sure what the open slot is. Maybe it's already in here. Not exactly sure though. Bunch of cords, cables. Here's a servo motor for a Panasonic robot. Huge granite slab, square. Not sure what the price was on that one. Bunch of ends and odds of tools. I couldn't exactly identify. Mitsutoyo U-Wave. Lowest listed $375. Average is $80. $80 is just for one of these sensors, but there's a lot of stuff to it. So he's got the software, got the receiver, got transmitter, got two sensors to it, got extra cables, got paperwork, got other software with it, some square gauges, SPI square gauges, this bore gauge, Mitsutoyo's bore gauge. Average selling price $550. Could not find this anywhere listed. These select, I'm not exactly sure what they are. Tungsten carbide, I'm guessing for precision gauge work. This SPI class ZZ pin gauges, lowest listed $325. Average selling price is $90. Not the best average selling price, but the lowest listed. If you're looking for one of those, I can hook you up. Lower than the lowest listed price. Inspection Corp, Control Corp, same thing. Don't really know exactly what they are, but very precise tooling. Lowest listed $795. Average selling is $100. Got a couple different types of these. Just so much stuff. I picked up all this stuff for $1,750. Now in my spreadsheet, you'll be able to see all the details of everything. I think the average Terapeak selling of everything that I could find. I don't have everything listed in the spreadsheet, but the average is $10,000. So that's almost, what, 9 times what I spent? No, less than that. Probably like 7, 8 times. Insane. So I got multiple of these Mitsutsuyo gauges. Really, really good pickup. Private party pickup. Nice precision. Don't even know. Marking, etching tool. Couldn't find a part number or serial number on this, but oh, here's another one. Some sort of diameter gauge to precision. Lowest listed $400, average selling price $102. And there's just so much more back here too. It's so hard to show everything in the little amount of space that I have here. Tried to spread it out, get some lights on here. But don't be afraid to look into some private party deals if anyone ever asks you if you want to buy some stuff. Take some pictures, part numbers, and don't be afraid to reach out to them multiple times. You've got to get the ball rolling in their court. I'll catch you at the next time. Thanks. So here's the spreadsheet I was talking about. It is a 2-page spreadsheet. First page is on the left, second page is on the right. They just stack on top of each other. Just too big to have that much information on one page. So the ones in yellow, I could not find any information on, and I will have to do more research on those items. And I just tried to add some notes to help me do some research on these items when I am ready to post them. If anyone is interested, please reach out. But you can see the totals at the bottom of the second page for both the first and second columns. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.